Welcome to our Lovable tutorial. So for those of you who have never heard of Lovable or are wanting to rebuild their website on Lovable or build one from scratch, let me tell you, this is the best tool out there. I have used things like Base 44, I've done Replit. There's another one, I can't remember which one it is. But anyway, I've done several. Here's what I like about Lovable. My 69-year-old mom can do it. I've showed this to lots of people over 60 years old, and it's easy for them to do. So generally what I do is I get it set up, then I transfer it over to that person, and then they can get in and edit it. So let me show you. One, you do need to have a free Lovable account to access any of the websites I'm sending you if they are yours. So before I can transfer them to you and you own them and you can edit them, you do need to sign up for Lovable. So what you're going to do, so lovable.dev, that's where you're going. Lovable.dev. Once you're there, you're going to need to get started, hit get started, and sign up for a free account. So for Grens, I'm going to sign up with one of my accounts that does not currently have a Lovable account. And then I'm going to hit continue. And again, you can hook up with the Gmail or something else, or an Apple account or anything else. Pick light or dark. This is just the screen, how you like to see it. I'm going to go light and then put your name in. And then you can say what your role is. None of this really matters. It's just surveying people. Once you get in, you are not going to have a project yet. So you can start building one. Also, you're on the homepage, so you can just start building one. This is where I can say, I need you to build something. Now that I signed up, I'm going to go log into an actual account that I have and show you what this looks like. So here's when I go in, obviously I just chatted with it. And one of the things you can do is have Claude or ChatGPT or Victor, whoever, give you a prompt if you don't know what to say, but you can talk to Lovable in very general terms. It can make websites, apps, dashboards, whatever you want. I am on a business plan, or actually I'm on a pro plan. So I am paying $200 a month for mine, but let me show you billing real quick so you can see. Is it this one? I don't want to upgrade yet, but I want to show you the pricing. So I'm on a pro plan that's 400 credits a month, and then I get 5 daily credits up to 150 a month. I recommend that if it's just one platform, just do it's $25. So there you go, $25. If you run out of credits, because that only gives you 100 credits, you can top up your credits here. So this is where you would add additional credits. So just start out at the 25 a month and you'll be fine. When I share a project with you, then you are going to get an email from me that says to join this project. Once you do, so remember, you have to have a Lovable account first, then go back and find the email from me inviting you to your project, and then come over here to all projects, and then you will see your project pop up. So this is one that I'm doing for my friend Yvette right now. We just started it together when I was with her the other day. And I can see, and she will be able to see all of our conversation. And so I can continue to be editor in her account, and then she can make edits. And if she gets stuck on anything, she can let me know. So what you'll do is you can come in here and you're just going to chat down here on the bottom left-hand side. And when you hit enter, it's going to work. A couple ways to make edits. You can just say, I want to change the struggling to close sales line to something stronger. Say you don't know what you want it to say. Then it can come over here and it'll do that. Let me scroll down so you can see. I didn't even spell anything correctly, so that's awesome. So it's going to review the message and then review the impact. And it's going to take a minute or so, and it will make the edit. They also have visual edits, so you can hit, so close more sales guaranteed. Maybe she likes that. You can also do visual edit and select an element to edit it. So I would select that element, and then I can say whatever I want. I can just take that out if I want to. And then I hit send. I could have changed the font, I could have changed the color, all that. I can add any page. So let's say Yvette is offering, let me go to her services. Oh, actually, live training. So she has this live training. She has a current website right now. So I'm going to go to the Codemasters. I'm going to go to her training, and two things. I can give Lovable this page. I can say, this is her current live training page. Please add these other training options to the live training page here. Also, I want people to be able to pick dates. I will need to program so I'll program those dates with you. So when, where, and what time they are and costs. And then I need for any signups to get a reply email with the information on what they need to know about that class. Some classes are in person, some are online. Pricing is different sometimes. So all that needs to be editable by me. Sometimes I do special classes for companies and they may want people to sign up in advance for headcount. It may not cost the student, but I need to capture that information. It's just me thinking off the top of my head. Once you start chatting with it, you're going to want to do all kinds of cool stuff. So you can just come over here and you chat with it. Once that update is made, then it is not live till we hit the publish button. So I'm going to let it do its thing. And it may come back and ask me questions. It may need to know something. So it's mapping the training option right now. How would you like it to be managed? Email and password. I'll set up an admin login or magic link. Let's do admin login. Beyond date, time, location, price, what else should the confirmation email include? What they need to bring, and what we provide, i.e. booklets, lunch, etc. They need to bring pen and paper, and we can change that at any time. Nothing's set in stone. You can literally change this anytime you want. So it asked me some questions. I told it I'm hitting submit, and this is going to, oh, look, it's encouraging me. This is a meaningful build. I love it. If you want to change font, you want to change colors, we can literally do anything, literally anything. You want to bring over old blogs, it will do that. Designing, sign up, workflow, and access control. And you don't have to know what any of this is. Database schema, you don't need to know what that is. But if you want to, you literally can ask it. If you want to share the project with anybody, you can literally add people here. So you hit add people. I shared it with her. She hasn't confirmed yet, but I'm gonna give edit access. I'm gonna copy that link and I'm gonna send it to her. And then when it's ready to go live, right now it's connected to this generic URL, which we can change because it's always getting into lovable.app. But when you want to add an actual custom domain, you can literally hit connect to domain, go find your domain, decodemasters.net, and I'll say, do you want that to be the root domain, which you do, just say yes to that, and then hit connect domain, which I'll do this for you. Usually if I'm still editor and I can get into your domain, I will. It'll set up the two, the one without the www, the one with it. You'll hit complete setup and then it will scan. And if it knows who your domain provider is, this one's Namecheap. It figured it out. You could log into your Namecheap account. I don't have the login for her, but you can log in or you can go to manual setup. If you go to manual setup, you just have your developer add these DNS codes. And then once they're hooked up, this will start saying that it's processing. And then you would do it for the other one as well. So nothing to be done right now. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect it. For now, I'm just going to edit this domain here, the code masters. I'm going to edit that. Let me go back over here. I know that's building something, but if you click on the name here and go to settings, then you can see I'm the owner, but I will change it. I'm going to change the name of it, codemasters.net. Save. I can give access here. I always hide the Lovable badge. You can rename the project if you want, but this is where I would transfer the ownership. So once she accepts it, I will transfer ownership, and then that's all you really need to do on this side of things. And then, of course, you can come over here and check your plans and your credits. If you're using the cloud or AI because you are building something, like right now, it's using the cloud because we're going to do a database. So this one does have cloud storage, which I get $25 a month to use. And so this particular project does have a cloud storage because I just asked it to keep a database of everybody who signs up. Your website might not have that. So I'm going to let it keep building over here. So everything's wired up except confirmation emails. And the reason that is because you have to hook it up to a domain first. So if you want confirmation emails to go out automatically, it has to be done after your website is live. But here's what it did. It did a public live training page, pulls upcoming classes from your database. Students pick a date and sign up. Empty state shows when no dates are scheduled. Let's just go look at that real quick. So more than just sales training, our training programs. This is where I would say I want them on the live training page. I want the training, what could be offered to show, because who knows, someone may want to. I'm going to go to trainings. I'm going to copy all these because I guess I was having trouble reading it. So I'm going to copy, and here is content from the current site. And while it does that, let me come back up here. So it did, admin gets an access code. So there will be an access login with this on the back end. It'll be admin login. So the first visit lets you create the admin account, and then you have your sessions and registrations, which I'll show you that in a minute. What I still need from you is confirmation emails. I already told you can't do that yet. It fixed that issue. So I just gave it that. So it's changing data. This, when you click up here, this is all the pages it has built out right now. When there's nothing there, that's the home page. This is the services page. Again, you can click services and it'll go there. This is the live training page, which it should be editing currently. So we should see that change in a minute. FAQ page. What is bank, training, coaching, consulting? So definitely read through those. The contact page, make sure all that's correct. The blog page, love it. And then about page, we need to add photos in. So let's say, cue this up. For about page, we need to add photos of Yvette and Kevin. All right, there's that admin page. So set up your first admin account. This is a one-time step. So it'd be Yvette at thecodemasters.net. And I'm going to copy this password. I'll let that fix it in a minute. So welcome back, manage classes. So this is kind of similar to what we had built on the other class. So we'd hit a new session, we'd pick the class. If there's a description, we can go ahead and add one in. That's something that you can tell it. And the other thing is, you don't have to add each one of these classes manually. You can tell Lovable, I already have intro to bank classes set up for these days at this location. And then we can go copy and paste information out of here from the current registration. So I can help you with that as well. But we'll do that. And then once people register, you'll see that. The other thing you'll be able to hook up is your payment system. So I think you're using PayPal right now. Sign up and pay, yes. So we'll hook up your PayPal, and that will be a whole, hey, I need to hook up my PayPal. Literally, I need to hook up my PayPal for payment processing. What do you need? See how I'm just telling it what I need, and then I'm asking it questions, and it will tell me what it needs and where to get it. So it's going to tell me here in a second that you do have to go into your PayPal account. And if you have no idea what to do, you can tell it, I have no idea what you're talking about. Where do I go? What do I click? And you should be able to get into it just fine. So there's really no reason to be scared of this technology. Anything you need, it can be hooked up. So let's go see if they finished the live training page. No, not yet. There it is. Intro to bank, your fast track to sales mastery, bank speed coding, and bank power scripting. See dates, request this class. Love it. So nothing again is live until you hit update. I'm gonna go ahead and hit update until this stops turning. It's not live. So it's up to date now. So that's Lovable. And if you have any questions, let me know. See you on the next video.